Binance Coin might drop 3.4% tomorrow, according to CoinLore. To start, let's get a quick sense of the current market dynamics. Binance Coin is currently down 1% in the last 24 hours and sits around $642.20. Let's scan the expert predictions today. CoinLore estimates a price of $620.40 by tomorrow, nearly 3.4% beneath current levels. 30 Rates projects a slide down to $626 for Binance Coin, implying a loss of 2.5%. CoinCodex points out the price could slide to $641.24, about 0.1% below current value. A different projection from Coin Price Forecast sees Binance Coin advancing towards $649, an increase of about 1.1%. And lastly, Crypto Predictions target $669.98 by March 21, which would mean a gain of 4.4%. This is the highest yielding forecast in this lineup. We've covered 5 analysts. Let's go forward. Let's move forward from the outlooks to the quantitative part. Based on the spread of forecasts we've seen, the market could swing between a decline of 3.4% and a gain of 4.4%, depending on the analyst. Overall, Crypto Predictions provides the leading forecast with 4.4% gain in value by March 21. As a result, you might earn between $1 and $44 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, CoinCodex's forecast suggests the most probable outcome with an 85.5% chance of success. Looking at every forecast, I've summarized them into one consensus scenario. Consensus expectation put Binance Coin almost unchanged, around $641.32. Now let's get into the details. Based on the consensus view, the price is expected to decrease by 0.1% by tomorrow. In simple terms, your capital might mirror the same 0.1% change. With $1,000 invested, the projection might correspond to a gain of about $1. And overall, the chance of this consensus forecast proving accurate is near 85.5%. At this stage, let's see what analysts are forecasting over the 3-day horizon. CoinLore sees Binance Coin losing ground. Likewise, 30 Rates expects Binance Coin to decline steadily. A gain is anticipated by CoinCodex, who remains bullish. The short-term signal from Coin Price Forecast is also clearly bullish. Likewise, Crypto Predictions emphasizes that the short-term picture is tilted higher. The consensus forecast highlights a neutral outlook, keeping Binance Coin in a narrow trading range over this horizon. Taken as a whole, most analysts present a positive outlook, keeping Binance Coin tilted toward growth. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Now we'll see which ones were accurate. As a result, the day wrapped up at $639.10. The majority of analysts captured the way the market actually moved. The most precise forecasts belong to Crypto Predictions. Now it's time to go through the results systematically. None of the forecasts were captured inside the daily move. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but CoinCodex topped the list. Take a look at the results table. It shows the overall outcome of all forecasts. From the table, Crypto Predictions reached 4.8% ROI and $8.06 accuracy. Look at the numbers. Can you guess who performed best? And now you can see how the forecasted returns for tomorrow differ among a few cryptocurrencies. Binance Coin falls behind with Arbitrum leading the table at 4.2%. This segment compares Binance Coin with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison and full analyst performance data will soon be available on my website and Telegram. Before we move on, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy seeing all these forecasts side by side. Take it easy. See you next time.